Welcome. Are you looking to keep your important chats easily accessible in Gmail? In this video, we will show you how to pin a chat on the Gmail app using your Android device. This simple feature helps you stay organized and ensures that you won't miss important conversations. Let's jump right into the steps. Step 1. Open the Gmail app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to access your chats. Step 2. Tap the chat icon located at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your messaging area where all your conversations are housed. Step 3. Long press on the chat you want to pin. This action will reveal additional options to manage your chats better. Step 4. Tap Pin from the pop-up menu. And just like that, the chat will be pinned at the top of your chat list, making it super easy to find. Now, you can effortlessly keep track of your most important conversations in Gmail. Pinning chats is a quick and efficient way to stay organized and focus on what matters most. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.